Hello friends, welcome back to SMR Tech. Hope you all are doing good. First of all, I want to thank you all for giving lots of love and support to my channel SMR Tech. Today I'm back with another video which is requested by our subscribers, how to install a Google Cloud Vision OCR in UiPath Studio. So let us start the video. One small request, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, like and share the video if you like the content. Let's start it. So first of all, I'll open my UiPath Studio. If you don't know how to download and install the UiPath Studio, you can watch my previous video from this channel. I will also provide the link in description. Our UiPath Studio is started. So I will create the new process from here. I will name this project as Google Cloud Vision OCR. I am clicking on create a project. Let me tell you what is OCR and why do we use OCR in our project. So I have one sample PDF file over here. This is our sample file. This is an image which I have taken from the UiPath website. As you can see, it is an image and we cannot edit or copy this data. If we have a requirement to copy this particular data in our project, then we will be using OCR. The full form of OCR is optical character recognition, which can identify the data from image file. So for that we will be using OCR. Our project is created. I will just create one new sequence over here. This is our new workflow. In this, I will just search in activity panel. I will just search for get OCR text. As you can see, by default it is Tesseract OCR, so we don't want to use this, but you can use it if it is satisfying your requirement. Then you can go ahead and use this OCR, but our requirement is not this as of now. I will search for Google Cloud OCR. As you can see, there is an error here because we have not given any API key here. So for this we need to go to the console website and get the API key. I will search for console cloud Google. This is our website, console.cloud.google.com. You need to log in to this page and create a new project. As you can see, I have already created a project with the name SMR TECH Google OCR. If you don't have any project created and if you are new, you can just click on the new project and enter the name as per your requirement. If you have any organization location, you can just browse and search for that. If not, you can directly click on create button. Project will be created. Once created, just make sure you are on the correct project. Like if you have multiple projects over here, those all will be showed up here. Make sure you have clicked on the current project, and from here you need to go to the API and services and libraries. From here you need to install the Cloud Vision UPI. You can search over here. If you search with Cloud Vision, you will get a result, Cloud Vision API. Just click on it and you can enable it. It will take some time to enable it. As you can see, it got enabled. From here you need to click on this credential tab and click on create credentials and select API key. This is your API key. You can just copy it from here and close. And now you can go to your UiPath project. Here you need to create one variable. So I am giving a variable name as say string Cloud Vision OCR. So you can give any name as per your requirement and enter that key over here. Your variable is created and you need to link your variable here, string Cloud Vision OCR. As you can see, the error is now gone and it is updated. Now I'll just open the sample file which I have created. This is my sample file, and as you can see here, indicate on screen, so it will capture the image from here and give us the output. Friends, this is the process to install the Google Cloud Vision OCR. We can execute the project from here, but here you need to do one more thing. You need to go to billing and you need to add a billing from here. So as you can see, there is no account linked to this one. Link a billing account, create billing account. I don't have any requirement to create a billing account as of now. If you have any requirement, then you can go ahead and proceed with this process. If you enable that one, you will get the output of this. But if we run the project now, we'll get an error. We can just check here. So I have taken a message box to show you the example how we'll get an error. Here you need to store a output value. So I am just creating a variable by clicking Ctrl K from here. So here I have created a variable. I am updating that output name. So here I am selecting the variable which I just created there, output OCR. As you can see, now the error is removed. So friends, our project is ready. We can run, but we have not set up the billing account. Because of that, it will not execute fully. It will give us an error. So I'll just try to run and show you. The bot has started and it is trying to capture the image. As you can see, we have got an error. So this API method requires billing to be enabled. This is the error we are getting. You can set up the billing and you can proceed further. You'll be able to run this project. Hope you understood. That's it for today. This is how we can install the Google Cloud Vision in our UiPath Studio. Hope you understood. We'll be back soon with another video. Till that time, be safe and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching SMR Tech.